chaba chaba. Agaghị m aba n'ụlọ onye kpọrọ masị.
Where is your son?
Nani, ụtụtụ ọma, good morning.
I'm not here for your greetings.
Osebegodi.
I ask again, where is your son?
Nani, my son is not back yet.
Hey! So the porcupine has forgotten that his body is full of thorns, so as to tread carefully for people not to march on it and get hurt. Has your son forgotten the burden he's carrying as the SAG of Obunike? So as to tread carefully.
Hey, Nani, Biko, my son will come back.
When will he come back? Is it when the lizard develops pubic hair? Is that when he will come back?
Hey, God forbid!
Is that when he will come?
Then
let him make haste while the sun shines. He is the SAG of Obunike, and he has to perform the sacred tradition before we eat the new yam. Let him come back, oh.
Nani, okay? Nani. Oh! Can you know this baby fan? No one know this boy. Eh? You have refused to come back, Okuya. What is all this? Eh? Why don't you just come back and perform the rites? You know, eh? What do you want me to do? You must come back, oh. And come and perform this thing, oh. Give you chokame. And now calling me up and down, talking to me anyhow because of you. You have to come back, oh. Tension the high. On the high, yo. Magic is simple na oh, na body ko wata kili kana ba. You wait for way.
Did you see him?
He has not returned.
Yeah. Oh. Somebody should go and fetch him now. Somebody should just go and fetch him before all of us dies of hunger in this village.
Will you shut that pit latrine you call out? Who are you to tell me how to perform my duties? Do you now parade a manhood or the same genital I married you with?
No, I am sorry.
Will you get out of my sight?
I want to go
out!
Papa, in the chair.
Toto what I am. Toto fry and go. Would you want?
Papa.
But I much. The money. Okay. Today I'm going to roast yam for me. Let her make sure that fresh pepper is available with uba and baka and utazi. No me here gesh. That's what I want to take this morning.
Okay, Papa.
We're going to the office, so do it well.
Sorry, Papa. But there are no more yams in the yam band. Unless you want me to go and dig some. Now, Kolokere, because Kamputa.
Mama, happy all
Hey, nah.
Mama.
Oh, I can't near. Abo Kodike. I got a watchy loose.
I've got some more.
I know now, boy. I know Polonko, Mamone, Juano. Hey! Una Fugun Chakonora. Those of you that said my son will never come back. Nsiono. Hey! My son is back. Back to perform the traditional rites. How if he on the Obunike? Igwakuko Oluran Udia.
Mama, sometimes I just get confused. I'm caught in between this tradition and my faith.
Nah, don't be confused though. I want to feed you. If you go na your Kadibo.
Yes.
He sent you to school to learn the different cultures and still retain your own. You got to find out why. Nyaboni get for your uncle. Iche uchendo. Kamalun kene mekeme boss or say so. The community is distressed. Now, Kainaba. Oh, what we five you go tell the neck.
Mama,
you get them bread. Bread in the Lagos.
Mama, here you come. Come.
Abutache. Hey.
Mama.
I got what you do.
Bye. Ichio Chendo.
Come. Hey! What is it? Hey!
Ichio Chendo, I greet you and my apologies.
Keep your greetings and apologies to yourself. Listen to me. If we had lost a soul out of hunger, if we had lost a soul, I would have shown you what spirits do with human skull.
If you know what is good for you, you just have to start preparing for that sacrifice.
Obiageli, are you mad? Do you want to take my position as the custodian of Emumeji? Do you know you have mentioned the mentionable? You mean you're not afraid to talk to our Ezeji, Obiageli?
My husband, I'm sorry. I was just trying to let you...
Listen to me! Your apology is unacceptable. Very unacceptable. And you must give today's AG one big impeachment. Hey! Baraba, Agedeba. He go to Baraba. Yes! And 4 tubers of yam.
I have forgiven her, honestly.
That is your business. Entirely your business. It is a taboo for a woman to meddle in the affairs of this sacred sacrifice. So, she must pay the fine. I've spoken. Obegeli, get lost. Lost! Get lost!
Let me continue with where I was going before.
Ichuchendu, please, like I said before, I'm really sorry. But now I am back to take control of that is bestowed upon me. But I need your support. I need your help.
It's all right. We shall do that on the market day. Huh? Yes, so that I will find time to inform Amawa, Okalo, Osile, Azu, and Ifita. Huh? Yes, and other village heads. Okay? Yes. You can now go and take a rest from your long journey.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Let me be going. I'll see you, sir.
It's all right.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
These children.
Nem. He is no phone go.
Oh, the nakalaka.
But let me ask you. Why didn't you open a restaurant at Oyolisa? Or near St. Monica self?
I will answer you that question.
Yes.
Because I want you, my family members and relatives, to be the only ones that will enjoy my cooking.
If Rafaga, hey, I forget by
Chaluko, it's an alpha normal before joke. Oh, normal means good home.
Yes.
And I fem.
Oh, by your name, it's I know everything.
Also. This is what can you.
Yeah.
Let me ask, the meeting you had with your uncle,
Yes.
I hope it went well.
Nothing. It went well. Now you're beginning to behave like the wife of the tortoise. You say you will not ask and you don't want to pay fine, but you're still probing.
But I hope you people did not quarrel.
We did not. Anyway, in case you want to know, the only answer is that we'll start digging the yams from after Oye market.
Yeah, after again.
Okay,
hey,
you know I'm a titled person. I don't talk when I eat.
I know. Ki wait see us. Mananya be for broken on.
Hey.
No. Asina Nancy.
Oh no, man.
Remember those days when our age group meets.
For my trophy.
I remember those early days when I was your age mate. Now you don't dance anymore. Hey, you don't know nowadays, our hate days. You don't know what you're missing now. My husband, welcome. No.
Where are the items for the fine? Obiageli, listen to me. A fly that does not heed advice follows the corpse to the grave. If you say you don't take shit, shit will take you. Today is the last day to pay the fine to SAG. Tomorrow is Eke. And you cannot do it on the day of sacrifice. I've not seen any sign.
My husband, I can't raise money for all these items you just mentioned.
That is your punishment for being nosy and disrespectful. You have missed Afigo Gidi. You have missed Oyolisa. You have missed Afompo. And today is Ngwago. If you like, stay here. But you must buy the yams and all the items, including the big impi, with a sizable ochoklopin.
Hey, my husband, please. I can't raise money for all these fines. We don't have yams in the bank again. And you know about it. How do I raise money for 4 tubers of yam? And upon that, you added goats, and even went ahead to describe the big goats. How can I buy that kind of goats? Oh, since I've sold my she goats, kindly give me one of your he goats, so that I can use to offset the fine. And just be thinking about how to raise the...
Oh, Biageli, I don't care how you go about it. Go and sort yourself out. But you must pay the fine. Today, next time, you learn not to interfere in the affairs of men. Obiageli? 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 It's all right.
Hey. If I had known, I wouldn't have opened my mouth.
This one is all right.
No.
Obiajolo. Why is the post of SAG hereditary? And why must it come from Amawa?
And they shouldn't have come from Isiobunike either. You see, the right people to answer this question you're asking me now is our ancestors. Because right from the time before I grew up to this level with you in this community, both of us know very well that it has been a common practice that this SAG must at all times come from Amawa. So I don't know why you're asking this question.
Listen, if this delay happens again, I will make sure that SAG stops eating meat. Oh, Lisiganu! Yes! He cannot continue to... The delay is enough. Okay, Nekwan?
Ndulue, I think it is of mouth to be angry now. Because the SAG position have been strategically positioned by our ancestors. And now that we find ourselves in this condition, there is nothing we can do than to wait for the time of the gods. Because I know that what you are asking for can never happen. Yes, never happen. Unless you want to wrestle with the gods. Which I know you will not like to wage war with the gods.
To hell. To hell. Let me see that double-cultured man. He will pay me for all the damages. He will.
Ndulue, I think I will liken you to the proverbial tortoise that was thrown into a pit, toilet pit, and he stays there for a very long time. wee ruzie ka ụmụnne ya na-akpazi nkata n'ama mmụma ka a ga-esi kpọpụta ya n'onunu. O wee si mee ọsịsọ kpọpụta ya n'ebe a na nsị na-esigbu ya. That's what it will look like. Remember, Eke Day is tomorrow. And you will go ahead and start harvesting your yams. Then, we will do work at it.
Which yams? Harvesting which yams?
The yams I knew you planted.
Already cooked yams? Or can't you see that the sun is becoming too intensive nowadays?
But I know very well that even if the weather is not favorable to those yams, the little rain, the little water from the soil cools the yams. Or if you doubt it, visit your farm early in the morning tomorrow. You will see the evidence of what I'm talking about.
Listen, I am insisting that we have to do something very fast before we get to doomsday. Yes.
I support you, Ndule, but we must apply caution. Caution is the watchword now. Can you one Take it.
It's all right.
Take it.
I'm okay. I'm all right.
Bamba, take it.
I'm okay.
Take it.
I'm okay.
Take it.
Hey, Abiagali. This one you remembered me today.
Oh, Mama, I did not come to see you. I came to see your son. Is he around?
Don't worry, my son is sleeping. I made this akidi with vegetable soup. After eating it, he went to the room to sleep.
Who asked you? I didn't ask you, of course, and you know that. I came to see your son and not you.
Achacha, full-grown young lady. Everything has come out. So we don't know how to greet people again. Okay? Good evening. Good evening to you too.
No, good evening.
Good evening.
You see a well-brought-up child. Did you see how we just greeted you? If we are okay, that is how to bring up a child.
Because Jude, this is the goat. I came to redeem what my husband told me to bring. This is it here. This is the yam.
You know, left for me alone, I wouldn't have insisted on this fine. But if not for tradition, you know how it is. Huh? However, thank you very much, you know. There's nothing I can do about it.
No, if I'm here, this goat, by the time I finish making pepper soup, then I use this yam to pound. Hey! Oh God, it will be a good one.
Come on, let's just get out of here. No problem.
Are you sure you don't want to stay back and enjoy? Hey! Nah, you didn't even tell me that they find her.
What kind of celebration is this? Why are you getting excited over this one? And moreover, or everything can work in a wine. Should men be discussing everything with women?
Hey.
Women discuss this with men.
You know, when I will pound this yam, swing it this way. I pound it this way. Now, take that in and come and carry this thing. Hey! No more market for 1 week. How can you see a woman?
Obidolu na bobo, emumeji okaniru. Obidolu na bobo, chikwese numinani, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji okaniru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, abyanubi jibweze, abyanani jibweze, Jine buta fo juju buto biangoli obode bili nudo. Jine buta fo juju buto biangoli obode bili nudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji okaniru. Obidolu na bobo, jibweze nubinani, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji okaniru. obidolu na gbogbo jikweze n'ubi na nni emumeji emumudo obidolu na gbogbo
You may sit down. Anụzọ obodo anyị nye n'ụmụ nwa ji m were ụgbọji ime dodorimado na ọ bụrụ nwoke na ọbụkọghị m dodorimado ma na ọ bụrụ nwaanyị na-agakwa anụ ya anụ dodorimado na ọ bụrụ nwoke na ọbụkọghị m dodorimado. Emume ji ka anyị na-eme asị na ọ ga-adịla anyị mma ọ ga-adịla anyị mma n'Eke ọ ga-adịla anyị mma n'Orie ọ ga-adị n'Afọ ọ ga-adịla anyị mma na Nkwọ emume ji ka anyị na-eme anyị sị na ji bụ eze ji eze akụkụ na ọ ga-adịla anyị mma Anụzọ obodo anyị nye n'ụmụ nwa ji m were ụgbọji ime dodorimado ma ọ bụrụ nwoke na ọbụkọghị m dodorimado na ọ bụrụ nwaanyị na-agakwa anụ ya dodorimado. Ezeji, it is your turn to perform your duties.
Emumeji, Oganiru,
Emumeji,
Emumeji,
Oganiru, Emumeji.
Our fathers performed it. Our forefathers also did. And passed on to us. It is the tradition. With the powers vested on me as the SAG, I hereby commission this New Yam Festival to be fruitful, that we will eat and be alive, and increase and multiply. I hereby cut to represent the 10 different clans that makes up Ogbunike.
Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emumeji Oganiru. Obidolu na gbogbo, jikweze n'ubi na nni, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emumeji Oganiru. Obidolu na gbogbo, jikweze n'ubi na nni, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na gbogbo. Abịa n'ubi jikweze, abịa na nni jikweze, Chinebute afọ ojuju bute obi aṅụrị obodo ebili n'udo. Chinebute afọ ojuju bute obi aṅụrị obodo ebili n'udo. Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emumeji Oganiru. Obidolu na gbogbo, jikweze n'ubi na nni, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emumeji Oganiru. Obidolu na gbogbo, Jibweze n'ubi na nni emume ji emume udo obidolu na gbogbo obidolu na gbogbo obidolu na gbogbo emume ji ọganiru obidolu na gbogbo Jibweze n'ubi na nni emume ji emume udo obidolu na gbogbo obidolu na gbogbo obidolu na gbogbo emume ji ọganiru obidolu na gbogbo Jibweze n'ubi na nni emume ji emume udo obidolu na gbogbo.
Oyoyo nne. Ngina nwa ya na-akpali.
Yes.
Oyoyo nne.
So it's ready.
Can you kitchen?
It's all right. Wait. Chine, there's plenty.
Papa.
Yes.
Why do you even want me around? Just to eat the first yam with you?
My son.
Papa.
You see, when a plantain tree dies, the young ones take over. I want you to know the culture and tradition of our people. Most Igbos who live in townships these days do not know our culture anymore.
You have a point there, Papa. Some children can no longer speak Igbo language. Even my neighbor's children in Enugu cannot speak Igbo. They don't know they are fast losing their identity.
That's right. That's right.
Papa?
Yes.
This one is very sweet.
Indeed.
Papa? I want to be the next SAG.
Chinedu.
Papa.
You cannot be a SAG as long as Obinna is alive. And his son will be a SAG after him.
Then, why does he not want to get married?
Leave that issue.
Papa, at his
Wait, leave that issue. I will address it very soon.
Papa, what I'm just saying is that at his age, he should be a father to 1 or 2 children by now.
I know.
Anyway, if he doesn't get married and he dies now, I will be the next SAG.
Will you shut up your mouth? How dare you speak evil in such manner? Do you know it is sacrilege to wish him dead? Or do you want the gods to descend on my family?
Papa, I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. That is the problem with the youths of nowadays. They are over ambitious. And that is why they go into crime easily. Honor and integrity have been thrown to the winds.
Papa Bikozian, Wara, please forgive me. I'm very, very sorry. Papa, you see, you're a man of justice, honor, and integrity. I want to follow your footsteps.
It's all right. But you should not think evil of anyone. You have to be upright.
Okay, Papa.
That's it. So let's enjoy the food.
Obidolu na bobo Jibweze n'ubi na nni emume ji emume udo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo obidolu na bobo emume ji ọganiru obidolu bidoro na bobo Chikweze n'ubi na nne emumeji emumudo
Honestly,
Nwokoye phone saga.
Hey! No!
Good afternoon.
Edu?
Enata?
No.
If you need your phone, you came to eat the new year with your father. Oh my God, no.
Please come and join us.
Hey, Brother Jude, I've celebrated my father already. Email, Mama. I would have loved to come feud already.
Oh, so what?
Brother Jude, my father sent me to call you.
Yes, okay, tell him I'll come and see him later after the dinner.
Okay, brother. Mama.
Do you know why he sent for?
I don't know, but I think I'll just go and see him right away. Let me even run and go and see him now.
Libenu, you have not taken enough fish.
No, I will do that when I come back. I'm coming back now. I'll eat when I'm back. I'm okay now. I'm after.
Obinna.
Iche, I'm here.
If you want to lay an epileptic woman, you do it in a haste so that epilepsy will not catch you. But if you relax in her inner chamber, as if it is your father's parlor, if you don't catch epilepsy, epilepsy will catch you.
But Iche, I don't.
Obinna! Hey! I didn't hear anything. Hey!
See, girls, are we not going to Okalo again?
We are not going. I don't want my father to catch me. I want to sit here and eat all the different shades of yam prepared in different ways.
Ujunwa, Ujukasen, Nyatobugogi. You like food too much.
You uncle, I like running. Hey,
the unmarried AZG of Ubunike is coming. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, AZG. Chioma,
Good afternoon. Please, you did well by coming home. I would like to come and visit you at home.
Oh, well, you can come, but come with your friends.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Welcome.
Hi, Chioma. What is wrong with you? You know about queen in Kegea, I'm the way you describe
my sister. Take it easy.
See, if you don't want to shine your eye, me, I'm ready to shine my own. You think I'm happy staying in the village? So this rubbish made a kid about shining of eyes. Eh, Chioma? Are you not shining of eyes? Are you not ashamed of yourself? A man is supposed to be the one chasing after you, not the other way around. Tell her.
That one is your business. Did you see the way he admired me?
Kita.
Hey, Jesus Christ. Hey, I can't wait to marry him and follow him to Lagos.
Follow to Lagos?
Yes. Shut up. Marry. Nejili na nwayo obiko. Atozazina.
What happened at your uncle's house? Get it for? Eh? Give me.
Have your son told you that the abomination he vomited from his mouth?
Oh, no, he has not. Just
because I told him to get married. He wants to denounce his position as the SAG.
Eh?
Yes!
To fear.
Tell him he will die. He will die because no SAG in our lineage has done that. And for the nonsense he said with his rotten mouth, I have to appease the gods. Otherwise, they will wipe away our entire family.
Help him. Help us.
Help him. You are even the one that spoiled this overgrown adult who has not even deemed it right to settle down. Bia, I'm giving you only 1 week. 1 week to get married. Else, you will know that the dwelling of the mangrove in the swamp does not make it a crocodile. I'm through with you. Bawana Okoro, you and your son. Yes! Go on! Bawana Okoro, that's what you have come to the world to do. I wish you luck. Good luck!
You see, I've been telling you since. Settle down, get married. Look.
Mama, see what I can hear. Let's take it easy. And I should have me.
Take what easy? And I draw me guinea. Nanny, I get you okay. Look at your baby. White and black. Baby, give off a one white. Eh? If I let them, look at your beard.
No wine. Going out to mommy to crazy. Going out to me. Mommy to grab the money.
Let her come and farm with me. That is okay. Look at you, black and white and fun. If I white and green apple, he has no money. He will give him now white, now fun. Who will take it and then you now wait, Obi. Calm down. If you go want Papa Gauchendu, your uncle, he means well. He wants to protect you and the entire family.
Or you try to mean well, or on acquiring, being hard on me, or is that meaning well?
Nah, I can't work on you. As your mother, I will always tell you the truth. Na ilu going no munyenke. Chilo munkege na gayali. Ilu logie.
Mama, so you're not another person, and you understand my issues with money.
Money. Bobu ni na agbo ego, rapuka ni ego. And I know say one ya no say. Ego ne kwa ni keji anu nwunye. How much do you need to spend to marry a woman? Enna.
Oh, yeah, Maggie here. That's why I should just go and find a wife within 1 week. 1 week. I don't know the woman. I have not dated the woman. Then, or it's what he said, man.
They are awful. The new generation. You date a woman before you marry her.
Yes.
Yet at the end of the day, the marriage breaks up.
It's not all the time.
It's not all the time, but most of the time. Our own generation. Do you know that when your father Okadibo saw me, Onepolomanya, Obuli Fortune, Okadibo walked up to me, or proposed it to me, more Africana, Ecolobian mad, Nkweta. Anye taste to forbidden fruit, Obarakoma Kanaru picking, Nkoje Susumono. We lived happily until death took him from me.
So, Mama, you're in support of Uncle Luchendo. Is that what you're saying?
Why you trying to reason with you? Is it not in support of your uncle? This is in support of your uncle. I want to see the next SAG.
Hey, can you hear that I already have it?
Yeah, I'm not even the one that should be asking you if you will eat. If you like there, may oh, we need to see where na drink figeli. No, na drink na koye. No. Yeah, no. Nonsense.
Asa baby. Chioma Mbanefu. Where are you going to? Where to Biko? Ebekwa.
I'm going to Oyolisa to buy something.
Oyegini. Oyolisa kiji kenkuchani na dress like this.
Is it because this one is long?
But you not pull it down now. Hey.
See, forget I'm in the village. I'm not Mbeke like you. Do you hear?
Me Mbeke.
I'm not Mbeke like you now. Can't you see? I be like hot now. 180. Imarozi. Inekuzike kana mwa. Please, don't worry. I'll put you in the mood. Nga kuziri giwe. Oh. Yes.
You will teach me. Oh, are you sure it's Oyolisa you're going to? This girl, the way I'm looking at you, you want to do one Rohim move. Ha! Hey, so come on, Oyolisa teenager. Are you sure it's Oyolisa you're going to? This girl. You, Okwen.
That's the color.
Papa.
I hope they are 18 number.
Yes, Papa.
Put them here. Then give me the phone. I'm going to appease the gods.
Papa, let me follow you.
Mbano, you cannot follow me to the shrine of Ozukampu. You have no business there.
Papa, why do you want to appease the gods?
If you are given the head of a dog, what will you do with the jaw? You are still too young to understand the enormous task of the custodian of Emumeji and the guardian of his age.
Papa, I am your first son. Make me understand.
Trees bear flowers before they bear fruits. You have to understand the ancestral origin of Nkese before you know why he has to be appeased. Eh? Let me go. Let me go, I'm coming.
Nkese.
Mama Daniel, I gotta go for more. Can you grind out this thing? Hey, good afternoon. Oh, fine girl.
Ma.
Hey, what can I do for you?
Yes, ma. I'm looking for SAG. Is he around?
SAG?
Yes, ma.
He is around. Come on, girl. Let me call him for you. Wow, you have a beautiful visitor here. You have a beautiful visitor here.
SAG, good afternoon.
Nah, look after her, eh? Make her very comfortable. Hey.
I thought I asked you to come with your friend.
Yes, but they refused to come. They said they are not interested. That's why I'm even here late.
So what's your name?
My name is Chioma Chukwuka.
And where are you from?
I'm from Osile.
Ah, Osile Ndike.
Yes.
No wonder you look sharp.
Is it too much? SAG, my hair look SAG, please, I want you to take me to Lagos. I just want to be your friend.
You want to be my friend and you want to follow me to Lagos?
Yes.
You don't have a problem then. It's people like you that Lagos is looking at.
Hey, the Kamaka. Hey, SAG, my hair look. I took a make an hour.
For what?
I'm name matter everything. Okay, I got my father. When I'm done now, but I can win as well. Alright. Yeah, one.
Mama, why does brother Juice's mother feel so proud? I hate that woman.
Why would she not feel proud, my daughter? As the only SAG of Imumeji in our village. She's a proud woman, so arrogant. Everybody knows her.
Before Uncle, so what? Is that why she cannot give us part of the goat you gave to them? Or can she and her son finish a whole goat?
Everybody knows that they cannot finish that big goat that I bought. But who are we? What will she give us? We don't deserve it. She has given it to those who she feels deserve the goat. But us, I know about the black carrot. I know how much I bought the goat.
Even the brother Jude of 18, he was pretending as if he was sorry, but he was not sorry. He cannot even tell his mother to give us some of the goat parts.
No, don't worry. You don't need to complain. You don't need to complain, my daughter. I know how much I bought that goat at Afigo market. I know how much I spent. No problem. As for that woman, hey, trust me now, you know your mother.
Trust you, Mama.
I have set a trap for her. I have set a dangerous trap. And very soon, okay, come by me here. She will enter into my trap. Then I will This shall be blessing of Allah.
Whatever trap you have set for Mama Jude, it will not catch her. Mama, whatever plans you have, it will not manifest.
Get away, you, my friend. Come on, get away. Your mates are in school studying, and you are here eating my food for nothing. Okay.
Mama, I don't know why you simply hate Mama Jude for nothing. But you are teaching to her bad things. Chile, stop fooling. Hey, stop fooling yourself. Hey, don't come and get Mama, warn him, oh. Warn him, oh. If I call your name again, give me no fear. Chile, what will happen if I call your name? Like mother, like daughter.
Like father, like son.
Chile, remain here and keep gossiping with Mama. Your mates are already in the university and polytechnics, and you are here worrying yourself in pity.
Just leave my daughter alone for me. Look at this boy.
Leave
her alone for me, Nolia. Stupid boy. No. Don't mind him. Don't just mind him one bit. Though you have failed your jam 3 times. Eh? This time I run off. Get it?
Oh, Mama.
Don't worry, I still don't worry. Some of your mates are still in the Monica Secondary School now. Eh? You gain admission. Don't worry, up here.
My mate not still in secondary school.
Hey, some Monica's now, no. Some of them are there.
I know I'm still small. A small girl.
Up here. You will pass, oh, very soon.
No, I still have an assignment in the village.
Nah.
You know I hold a traditional position in the village.
No.
So once I'm done with the assignment, nobody's making me an ego. Shut up. Once I'm done with the assignment, I'll be on my way back. And you, that stuff, just take care of it and let me know, yeah? Okay, now bye-bye. All right, bye. Ma?
That girl that came to look for you, she is beautiful. What a killing one up now. If we're going to cha-cha-cha-cha-cha, Nkiru Tekuya, you man in like good.
Mama, because what is it because she's fair? Or Maki no the Mana beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Just leave her first.
Nabiko. Onye ko.
Osiniabu nwa ichemba na efo ndi osile.
Mba na efo osile nka. Na nye echebegokwa.
Makagem.
Let us go and ask after her.
Why?
Your uncle gave you 1 week to get married. You know.
Mama, I don't like this thing about 1 week. So because my uncle gave me 1 week to get married, that's why I should be stampeded into any girl that comes my way.
No, I don't understand. I don't understand you. I want to
Mama, all I'm asking for is just give me a little time. Me and you know that he has said I must marry before I go back to Lagos. Leave me, let me find the wife at my own time and in my own way. Yes, ma'am.
So no,
Mama, we shouldn't be quarreling about this. The guy here is DNA, so we could just relax.
Relax,
give me some time.
I will stay alive. Since my future. In a cocky soap. Why I never wear soap? General wine. Nonsense.
That's market, Before the man gachas now, prices were just going up. I'm sure my mother will be waiting for me now. But I have to
a lot of things.
Now, if you didn't do like that, you won't get good price. Hey, good afternoon, Ezeji.
Good afternoon, Ezeji.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
Yeah. What is that your name again, please?
Uju.
Ujunwa or Bianuju?
Uju, but I also like to be called Ujunwa.
Nema, what of you? What's your name?
Me? My name is Oge Chikamu.
Which means God time is the best.
Thank you.
I like that name. Your friends of Chioma that I asked to come over to the house with her the other day, you didn't come. Why?
I'm so sorry. It escaped my mind.
So I had a drum to fill with water, so I went to Obenkis.
So when am I going to see you girls again?
Tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow.
No. I'm going to the farm tomorrow.
Okay then, maybe I'll see you people after church on Sunday.
After church? Do you go to church? I would like to come and see you on Sunday.
have a great day.
Okay. Bye-bye, Ezeji.
Ugi, I'm beginning to like him.
You're beginning to like him. You're beginning to like him. If Chioma catches you, she will bite your ear off. Huh? You want to look for her trouble? So you don't know she has even gone to visit the Ezeji?
Which one? That Chioma? That Baza Queen? Sometimes I think we're not supposed to be friends with that girl. Yes, Baza Queen is too much.
Let's go. What
is holding this girl now? What kind of nonsense market that she went since morning? Hi! Oh, Geichi will not kill me in this house. She must have gone to her friend's house now to go out. Mama, that's Geichi. Ma, what have I done to you? Eh? What have you been doing in the market since morning?
I wasn't doing anything in the market too. I wasn't doing anything. Oh. Hey, Ibiakwa. I was only buying pala so that I can get good price. You don't have to buy pala to get good price. When we go to Oye Olisa, don't you buy pala? You buy pala to get better price now.
If you want to go see a waka, want to go see a waka, come give me the bag. Change. They ain't supposed to go since morning.
Okuna funa. Boss ozo mbata ka ibia wolu.
Ah, Chioma.
Now go check me out now. If run and the hot and sexy, eh?
Nah. Chioma, it's not that you just said it. You really look hot.
Yes.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you. My Ezeji's wife is supposed to be very hot and so sexy. Only one chill boys. Guys, now.
Chioma Chukwuka. You're really welcome, my dear.
Ago, this name you just called me, you just persist me. Ibalela bread, man. Ay, now go kai ban inside now. I found my swag feet. I ban inside now. Let's take one more. Don't do this in front.
Chioma, this one man that you talked about, I like it, and I would want to have it. But you can see I'm busy. I may go some other time, eh?
Okay. Yeah. Ago, where is Mama?
Oh, Mama no but she's over there. She's farming.
Okay. Nah, leave
this. This your what are their names again? Uju and Oge. How are they?
Ago, stop asking me about those useless girls now, eh? I've told you time without number. We are not in the same class. Those girls ain't we're all class now. Can't you see?
I can see. I can really see.
Ago, leave this thing you're doing now. Baliano now. Get me something, eh? Chorani babe, get something now. Get me something, eh? I'm going to Ghana say. Or Ghana, no.
Unoma.
Hi, Nani.
I was even going to thank God you're here.
I'm here, Nani.
Your house? Are you mad? Hey, what is wrong with you? Eh? How can you come here? You know me. You know me. What? You know me, Choma. Do your what? You know me. Do your what? You that thing you know me too. Are you mad? Am I mad? Why would you talk to me like that? Eh? I will run the medical package. Papa, leave me. Let me deal with this guy. Why because you're too much? Papa, leave me. Leave me. Let me deal with that. Papa, leave me. Leave me. Oh, Papa, leave me. Oh, Papa. Oh,
Omaka Ezeji
Ezeji, because of you. That is why I'm going through this. I will not stop, I beg. I must get to the end of it. I must see to the end. Ija, I'm gonna help you.
Don't be so visit. Show visit. Run.
I've never did anything inside you.
Don't be so visit.
Which visitor is that one? Which visitor is that one?
What happened to this number one digital game what we get for this village? Say your body dirty. Choma, what happened to your body now?
Jumbo, how many times did I call you? I no get your time, oh. Just try and mind your business, so you dey hear me? I no get your time, I beg.
Choma, sorry, yeah. I go sing this music for you. Loser, oh, loser. Loser, oh, loser. Loser, oh, loser. Loser, you not go kill me, oh, loser. I don't get your time. I don't get your time.
I really need your help. This is not one person. I'm part of this family too. Baby. I'm not wrong for you, not ourselves. You are always there. So you're back for the Mama, I had to. Yes, Baba. I'm fine. We're going to the farm. Your brother has gone to your uncle's house, eh? Oh, okay. And maybe he's just me saying, I'll go and see him.
Mama.
How about you see Anya? Come on, look out.
Mama.
Hey, Mama. This is my beautiful daughter. I don't know why the Omunike boys have not seen her. You know, if you are only here, then your mother.
Ishe, honestly, I don't want you to be upset. The way you want this traditional marriage to be is looking too expensive.
Listen to me. We did not invite people during the introduction.
I know.
So let the whole Obunike know that this age of Obunike is getting married.
But it's going to cost a lot.
Mbano. You see, the Mbamano family is a great family. So, this is a mado. My name is Momo. My palm oil mill is doing very well. Ichie Uchendo is not a poor Ichie. And your father was not poor. So whether your business in Lagos is doing well or not, your marriage must make a statement in this town.
Mana, Ichiro no come why, just small.
I supported you during the introduction, isn't it? Now I want to ensure that the marriage of my late brother's son is a success.
Okay, it's okay, but after the traditional marriage, don't forget that there is also the white wedding.
You see Aqua? Shut up your mouth! How dare you? This age of Obunike, how can you reason through your anus by thinking of a church wedding? Let me tell you, church was what the white man brought to calm us down while stealing our resources. Yes.
Uncle, good afternoon.
Hey, Adamato. They don't call me uncle. That is the white man's creation. Call me Ichie. I cannot be Vembo. Yes.
Okay, Ichie, good afternoon.
I know you have come for your brother's bank, isn't it? Oh, well done. Well done, eh? I'm still expecting Chinedu.
Oh.
I don't know why he's not here.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, Brother Jude, how is everything? Tell me, how are you preparing?
We are preparing well. Eh? This is why we are in a meeting. Yes.
Oh, okay. In that case, let me go inside and greet Mama Chinedu and Chinedu.
It's all right, my daughter. Well done, eh?
Okay.
I got the care. My dear, I also invited the whole Ebumeji group.
You see all of them?
Yes. Hey, but relax. I will take care of their food and drinks.
Everything that all of them will eat.
Don't bother.
Hey, it's here. Thank you very much.
Before I forget, let me wear up so that we go to the bank.
Okay,
Wait!
I wish my uncle will understand. Just transfer this money to me so that I can use it for something very important like business.
Very beautiful. Oh, check it out. Look at this dress.
Hey,
hey, Nekwe, have you seen it? I am going to look kulukulele. Hey, Ogana, what's Hey, how are you?
Fine, man.
Welcome, my daughter.
Hey, as Uju, she has collected her shilling. Did you hear what Mama said?
Hey, Mama, I forgot.
You forgot?
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, I forgot. But the tailor asked me to come this afternoon.
This afternoon? What are you doing here? You
I Baba, no. Gonna what's that day? I've not seen Chioma. That your friend. She didn't come to help you out in one or two things. At least
Mama, forget Chioma, Biko. Chioma.
What happened?
She said her anger is that I'm getting married to the age.
Akopona.
She was eyeing him. She practically carried herself and threw on his age. She forced herself on him.
Hi!
So he weighed the hot. That's and I snatched her.
You mean the liver?
To be. How painful.
You're saying the truth.
Gasi. Do you know what she now said? That Uju and I are bush girls. That she Adam classified. That Uju and I were not classical girls. Nayadiro classical. So let us carry our mbekerism and find something to do with our lives.
Didn't I warn you that that girl is a very, very bad girl? If Royhona nobody, which child from a decent home will be going naked in the village and all eyes will see her? I warn you. Leave her alone. I don't want to be seeing you and her again. I told you. Leave her alone. She's a bad influence.
I've heard you.
I don't want to see you and her again. Look at it. How is it? Irukazu.
Ozugo. Hey.
What do you expect now? I'm so happy.
Chikweze, Lubinani, Ebumeji, Emumudo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Ebumeji, Oganiru, Obidolu na bobo, Chikweze, Lubinani, Ebumeji, Emumudo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Obidolu na bobo, Ebumeji, Oganiru, Obidolu na bobo, Chikweze, Lubinani, Ebumeji, Emumudo, Obidolu na bobo. Abianubi, Chikweze, Abianani, Chikweze, Chinebuta for Juju, Buto Biangoli, obodo ebili n'udo. Ji na-ebute afọ ojuju bute obi aṅụrị obodo ebili n'udo. Obidolu na gbogbo, obidolu na gbogbo, emume ji ọganiru. Obidolu na gbogbo.
Mama, you really surprised me today.
Okay, man.
You really surprised me.
Hey, for me, Enrique.
The way you were dancing. You were dancing Kokoma. You danced Kukere, and the way you now pick
it's like you're drunk. And if you're drunk, just go in and lie down.
Open the door now. But it is too much. I'm sure this is what Papa saw in you that made him to marry you.
Open the door, Kibanono.
Open that we really tried though.
I hear.
Hey. Mommy, it is too much.
I'm going to nail a man. I'm going to make it.
Mama, that you're shocking downstairs.
If anyone had told me that I'll be married to the AZG, I'd have simply told the person that he is Joseph the dreamer.
Because you were the patient one.
Patient one?
Yeah. Don't you know that I know that all your friends, they were all interested in me. And they were doing everything possible to attract my attention. Now let me take them one after the other for you. You see Uju? Uju was subtle with her own attitude. But Chioma, that one, she threw all caution to the wind. She threw herself at me to get my attention, but still it didn't work. But for you, you are totally aloof and unperturbed, as if nothing was happening. You were just yourself.
How was I myself?
Well, I will explain that to you later. The only thing I know, you see that they asked you about Chioma, and you answered to me positively. You caught the cord in me, and I knew you were the one for me. Anyway, let's leave all that for me. Let me at least enjoy my new wife. What is it?
I've not done that thing before.
Are you serious? That at your age you're still... Oh my God! You're my priceless jewel. Give it to me freely. I love you, baby. Ichie, good afternoon, sir.
Obi. Olia.
I was actually on my way to your house. Yes, sir.
I hope there's no problem. I was going to my oil mill at Nwokoye Zunaka.
It's just to let you know, since I have completed the tax that you gave to me, that I will be going back to Lagos to continue with my daily struggle on making ends meet.
So, when are you leaving?
The day after tomorrow, on Wednesday, sir.
Okay. Will you be going with your wife?
Not this time. I thought it wise to leave her behind with my mother. While I go back and sort out things, you know, the place has to be convenient for her to stay as a woman. You know women now.
You see, one of the reasons why I wanted you to get married was for your mother Norma to have company. Since your sister is still in school.
But to tell you the truth, it's not my intention to get married and leave my wife in the village for a very long time. Once I settle down, I'll come and carry her.
Yes. But before you settle down, then your sister must have finished as to keep your mother company. And if you sorting out things might take a year or more. But all the same, see me tomorrow before you leave.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes. Let me proceed to Nwokoye Zunaka. To my oil mill.
Okay. Ijoma.
Greet your mother for me.
I will, sir. Okay.
Obi.
Hey, sure. Please now, eh? Don't do this now, please. Try and be strong.
Okay. Mommy. Look at you. Pokola. Please, my darling, drop me. Take care of yourself very well. And take your body. Don't behave yourself. Don't give him wala.
What we want to later.
Also true. Just take care of yourself. Okay, take care of yourselves, eh? Both of you. No trouble. Love you. Procedure. Love you. Plenty.
Not my great party thing go see.
No, I won't. Okay, Pecky. Love you.
Take care.
Plenty.
Bye.
Bye.
Take it easy, bud. Drive gently, eh? 3 hours there. Tomorrow will be in London. Please get me cold.
Very cold one.
Yeah, very cold.
Ready?
Yeah.
Cold water.
Yeah, very cold. Bookie! Bookie! Don't do this to me now!
Mama, what is it now? Why are you dragging me here?
See, you know Mama Nkechi now. She's around. I don't want her to hear what we are saying. You know she talks too much. Cho. Hey, tell me.
I don't know what is going on. This is not the life I planned. I'm confused.
My daughter, it's not only you that is confused here. It's not only you that is confused here. I am more confused. I myself am more confused than you. It's just that I am trying to hold myself. The worst part of it is that his line is not going. You cannot even get him on phone. Mother didn't go to on a phone. What is all this?
Imokona, the first 5 days we got married were my best days. I don't know what is going on. How do I explain this kind of thing?
My daughter, see, please, just take it easy. Take it easy. I know things will change. See, my happiness is that the mother is a very, very nice woman. I know things will change. If not for her, by now, I
will think up, I will think down, I will think middle, I will think everywhere. You see now, when my head wants to split in two.
It's okay. I said it's okay. Oh, okay, Chiche. Okay, Chiche. Take it easy. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. Just take it easy. Let's go inside now. Let's go inside. Take it easy. Everything will be okay.
Hello? Good evening, Chief Otumba. Yes, sir. That's exactly why I was calling you, sir. The result from the test conducted on her shows that she's 6 weeks pregnant. Yes, sir. You know, I was just waiting for your instruction. That's why I called you. Oh, sir, whatever you want me to do, it will be my pleasure doing it, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Yes, sir.
Silent now, boss, please. Where is Bookie?
Sir, since when you carry and go hospital, I never see her. She never come back out.
You mean Bookie has not entered this house today?
Let me listen.
Ah.
Sir.
Yes?
No vessel. If I ask you this question, how person wey no fit use im leg comot go hospital go take come back inside house, come enter inside house?
Ode Oda, say me no make up. Come go to olórí burúkú. Ṣé tí mo rán ẹni yẹn? Olóṣì. This girl switch off her life. All right. Pop no tag by you. Big gorilla ni as of him. If it is monkey that is senior to gorilla, she tell me. I will deal with her.
What is it? You think because you're the energy, you can talk to anybody as you want. Obinna, as in school you attended, meaning insensitive, that you no longer have respect for my father and our tradition.
Is it me you're talking to like this? Do you know why I'm laughing? Are you not the same Chedu? The same little Chedu that used to run muka through the nose into the mouth that I used to help clean up? The one that I held by the hand and crossed the road? You have the guts to talk to me like that?
Obinna, I have come to warn you to stop inflicting pains on my father and to stop desecrating our tradition, Obinna. Adeamachi, you fugitive! You ran off with a woman without a pillow chest!
Chinedu! Mama, when did this one start? How dare you talk to your senior brother like that?
Mama Nuku, if not for the respect I have for you and our tradition, I would have shown Obinna what I'm capable of.
Okay, if you have any respect for me, you should get out of my compound.
Mama Nuku, Kopo.
Eh?
Mama Kopo!
Do that thing you want to do. I said do it! Do it!
Ezeji!
Ibo lẹ ti rí wèrè aláṣọ lélẹ̀ ẹgbà wá wèrè lélẹ̀ yóò.
Shut up, you prostitute! You called me wèrè! You said a visit Lagos. I will show you my style.
Yeah, Silo.
Mama.
Silo.
Mama.
Chinedu Naba.
Mama. I have one gun for sauce. What's up? Get it to your skull. Ezeji, I broke an Ezeji obodo.
Wèrè ó yẹ kó forí ẹ̀ dànù ni.
Chinedu.
Ayé mi o! Ẹ gbà mí wèrè! Ó fẹ́ fọ́ lórí yé! Ọlọ́wọ́! Àwọn ọmọ Igbo tuntun bẹ̀rẹ̀! Wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìjà rẹ̀ o! Àwọn ọmọ Igbo! Olúwa o! Ọkọ mi o!
Hey, come on! My friend, come and get inside!
They are abusing the water.
Get inside, my friend! Why are you embarrassing me?
I said get inside!
I said get inside!
Is it not your fault? Is it not your fault?
I said get inside!
Are you the one that brought her into this compound? If you had not brought her here, this would not be happening.
Mama, why are you increasing the tempo?
Mama, to go
is enough.
It was never like that.
You are winning way now. You are winning way.
Yes, I'm winning way.
Go inside. Mama, I don't like this. You're getting me more confused.
I'm looking at what you're with. You don't talk to me anyhow because your father is not alive. Hey.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Go inside. I don't like this. Mama, I have enough problems on my head already. My people, that is the situation now. Yes. This age has 2 women who are pregnant for him. Ogechi, one Iloane, and one Imba, another woman he brought from a distant land. Yes, but you people should not forget that after Obinna, the next age must come from the woman he married traditionally. Yes. Because that is the one approved by the gods.
Even witness.
Yes.
But Iche Uchendo, my fellow elders,
the AZG has put dust on our faces. Good observation. Good observation.
That's very correct. So, in that case, I'm sending you.
Huh?
Yes. And yes, Ibelwe. And Chiara to him as a mistress. He has to appease the gods.
Yes.
For disrespecting them. Hey. Eh? Yes. And Ndulwe.
Oh?
You will make them 3. Good. Yes.
Icheuchendu, Okugamaka, you have spoken well, but wait. I have seen Eke, I have seen Ori, I have seen Nkwo, but where is Afo? You have to complete them 4.
Yes.
Always raise.
Remember, you can join them.
Council.
Complete.
That's right. Manandiba. Ndi Chibem. Ndi Ozora ndi Ze. What surprises me most here is that the gods are still quiet. They are still keeping silent, even after he had held them to contempt. Can't the gods even remove him?
Are you telling us here you want to fight for the gods? Won't you allow the gods to fight for themselves? Eh?
Greet the elders of our land.
Good afternoon, sirs.
Don't worry, I'll be with you soon. Emumeji.
You are no longer qualified to chant Emumeji until you have gone to appease the gods. You damned.
You must go and see Ozukanku with a white cockerel, 1 he-goat, and 4 kola nuts.
That is it.
Yes.
That is it.
Oh, let me ask. Where am I supposed to get this money from?
Huh? What kind of question is this?
You all know my condition now.
Obina. In a jump can join.
Oh!
Are you asking us so that we can ask who?
Okay.
Huh? Better go and ask the gods whom you have insulted.
Yes.
And let me tell you, go and see Ozukampo before it is too late.
That is it. Do you get that message crystal clear? Did you?
You must have gotten the message.
No. Okona.
Let's go.
What of the kola nuts and the...
Eat your kola nut. Eat your kola nut.
These people, they won't just understand. How mangotapan? How can you find me?
What I want you, Mongo. I don't move over. I don't I said, I want to wait you more go when I had a move over Zelo. Iche Uchendo. Ozukampo. I don't know what to do, honestly, because he's getting worse by the day. He says he cannot appease the gods, that he doesn't have money.
But what has to be done has to be done. Because Namiri Dolu Neju Dolu Wankata. You see, the first time he misbehaved, I was responsible for the appeasement. So
Should I do it once again because Obinna is incapable?
If you do not do it, it might affect you first, because the baboon and monkey come from the same family.
But with this behavior, will he still remain this age?
That question is meant for the gods and the goddess of Allah.
But how can he desecrate the land, disregard the gods, and still remain this age?
The gods are not mere mortals. Yes, we shouldn't think for them. They know what to do, and they will do when they want to do. I can see anger written all over your face. Go. Go. Do all you are supposed to do. Leave the rest for the gods.
If your uncle does not have money to buy water for you, go down to Nkisi and fetch your own water. It is not my own you use. You are pregnant, I am pregnant. There's no difference.
You know I'm not used to suffering where I'm coming from. I'm not used to fetching water. Just one button, water will come out. You are used to suffering.
Me, I'm used to suffering.
Look, Ngonshi, just leave me.
Hey! My name is not Ngonshi. Your name is
My name is
Ogechi.
Your name is Ogechi.
Ogechi.
Spell it.
It's a volleyball.
Spell it. Ojo, bush girl. My husband fed money. Olodoji, E-C-H-I. Olodoji. I don't fetch water. So there you drink your water. Drink your water. I will slap you in your ball.
Peter, each one minute take his gentle me, not many get out. Yeah. Look, Mama, it is better if you know who Buki is. Please warn her. She should not touch any water I fetch in this house. If she wants water to do anything, if she wants to do anything with water, she should go down to Kiss and fetch her own. Is that what happened?
Good afternoon. Come boy, let me tell you. Opa naga wala wala, anya naga vem na fwe. Look at you. Where are you coming from? Your mates have been back since. Chinedu, who is in the same school with you, came back since last week. Now you're just flying in like a butterfly. Ebe see.
Mama, you think about all sorts. I'm at UNN while Chinedu is at Enugu State University. That's why, and they finished the exams a week ago. That's why he called me.
Hey!
Surprise!
So good to see you.
What are you doing here?
Jude brought me here to your village.
Yes, see your belly.
Isn't this what I am saying? I am talking. I've stayed long here. I'll tell you. I can now sing your song.
Are you serious?
I can cook many of your soup. Let me sing for you now.
I'm listening.
Okay, take position. Get ready to
Okay.
Okay. Oh, if them there we wear the accurate so punya. Also, Wazico. Oh, if them there we wear the also, come be because of Raya. Oh, even though we wear because of Raya. My friend! I can cook soup. Are you serious? Yes. This soup. Oh, You know I sang that song? Oh, even the women, everybody in this village are wearing well. This but even wearing well. They don't want you to be upset. You don't understand. You don't understand. Let me help you. He has gone to the market, so he's Oyinliya market. Okay. Oye Olisa. Oye Milsa. You even know if I'm not bothering me. Don't worry, I'll teach you so many other things. You even know. I'll teach you so many other things.
Hey! Edith! So you planned with Obinna to destroy my home and make me a laughing stock in Obunike.
Mama, I met her when I went to Lagos and she was quite nice to Jude that night. So,
hey, Mama, Ifuge na Edith that one you have. Eh? I'm telling you. Hey, you're having two face. How? He went two face. Hey, Edith, that girl. He's the wicked. It is what the wicked. You're a wicked person. It is just you.
Mama, one Ogecho, one her not insult me. How can it be
insult to Ogu? He making it. Insult to Ogu? He making it. Hey, so he arranged it on your phone for your brother. Now marriage him, you will only see that shavy. Are you not a wicked person? Yeah, it was only the Jezebel. You are the latest Jezebel. China made Jezebel. Let's your
Mama, I can't take this anymore.
You can't walk out on. You can't take it. If you never ask him, he was quite nice. Chopping and on your Kinawa. On your Kinawa. Don't go quacky. If you will know to not walk. You are even not white. Watch at them. Watch at them.
And you? Were you abusing me?
I was doing you makeup.
Hey,
yeah, it is. Okay, the money just chalum no now. Chalum no now. Makobo no home, okay? I will show you Pepe. Nyam, go second on will cook keep it. What you know will cook keep it?
Cheregodi, or making a war or Kukuiwa. Wagging a give a guapo. You know, Mama. Hey!
He did slapped me. He slapped me. Oh, my one am I now. Oh, my one am I now.
Why did you make this kind of mistake? Why?
It's my sister. More than each time I think about the whole situation, the whole wahala, I just wish I could turn back the hand of clock, if it's possible.
But it's not possible now. It's not. I know Boke was your pillar. I'm not on and I was even thinking again I am my boyfriend and girlfriend. Can you just now pacharako? Eh?
See, my sister, I may have not had the gods. No matter what anybody thinks or says, I may have not been able to tell anybody this before. But you know the truth, I love Buki. Without regret, yes. Leave that everything happened the way it happened now. I love her.
But if you did not get her pregnant, all these problems wouldn't have come up. Eh? And I know if she knew that you were married, she would have gone. But this pregnancy now has made you to be in between the devil and the deep blue sea. Can he make it up? But bro, I'm joking again. Why didn't you use condom? Why? Condom was a goal. Why?
Women were always very lazy, especially in Ghana. Once it stands in the morning and you try to put any condom, it will fall.
You insist, force it.
Or the one is easy.
You force it.
You think it's easy? That's not even my biggest problem. Now, one of my other major problems now is your school.
Eh?
Yes. By the time you go back for your final year now, or when you're ready to go back, I don't know how you were going to cope. As per money. That's even the one that is even boiling my head right now.
Wait. So what are you telling me? That I'm going to drop out of school?
That's not what exactly I'm saying, but it's just that it's been from one problem to the other. Can you remember? From my business center to the saga of Buki getting pregnant to double marriage. Then fourthly is SAG and finally I'm back home doing nothing.
But you would have avoided some of these problems if you had forced this thing to enter. I mean, you would have stop some of these problems.
Anna, no, you think it's that very easy? I
It's
open
easy.
my eye and set fire on my head, Abby.
You just don't get a name, may enjoy. No, cheerful, in here.
Hey, it's enough. I don't like that.
He has not called me all this month.
But as his very close friend, you should be able to take me there now, to know where he is. Don't tell you alone, dákun jọ̀ọ́.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n Willie, brother Willie, don't tell alone, jọ̀ọ́.
I called this meeting so that we can all come together and put our heads together as one family. Because it's obvious that for a very long time now, we've not had peace in this house. Especially since I came back with Oki. So I'm pleading that peace comes back to our family.
Ikusigo?
Yes, Mom.
Okuya Amaka. Good talk. But there's something I want to tell you. He that brings in termite-infested firewood should be ready for the visit of the lizard. Now, can't go on again, Igbo, because you know sometimes your network are stable. Onye patalon kwaru sing well
Well, Mama, I do not understand where you're coming from. Neither do I see where you're going to. So explain to me, who is the person who is gathering the firewood? Who is a termite and who is a lizard?
If you finally, or that dabase, your brain, you gotta go. I will explain to you. Ndimwa bo binna, but the person with the firewood. This Lagos spider, a woman that you're not legally married to, a wedding amala, isi Lagos Bute is the termite. Well, Ogechi and myself are the lizards.
Supported. I support you 20 times.
Mama, be careful what you say before me.
Don't talk to me like that. I am not Obiageli Munyedim that you will tell to bring he-goats and tubers of yam. I will not do it. For your information, the gods have left you. Yes, you're asking for peace. Which peace? There shall be no peace in this house until you return this Lagos witch. Okrifonya, Oyana.
Shomboju, you are hearing now. Mama, I'm Lagos witch. Shombo, I'm Lagos witch.
I'm gonna bali.
Mama, it's okay now. What is this now? Mama, see you. 20 times. It's okay now. What is this?
It's another team. Which team again? It's another team. Okay.
Stop! Look at her. Oh, see.
Mama!
What's it? What about? Since you started carrying this thing on your head, you've been misbehaving. Nonsense. I remember when you fell down a drug and use it for ritual. Nonsense.
What am I saying? That is a big man. I was talking. You can see Chioma beating her. Yes. Giving her like this. Yes. Would you give her shining that? Give her like this. Would you? Yes. Would you? Look at this. Yes. Would you? Would you give her enough? Yes. Would you stop? Would you stop? What happened? Yes, would you? I'll beat you. Yes, would you? What happened? Yes. You. Come and carry your gallon. You're mad. Come carry your gallon. Come and carry your gallon. You will see it. I was making you feel like we were fighting. Help me.
Igwe, eze dị anyị mma n'Ogbunike. I greet you.
Ichendulo, K4. What is the problem that needs my urgent attention? I want you to go straight to the matter.
Igwe, it is only the race of no consequence that a woman would run gripping her breast. Our land, the fertility of our land is being threatened, Igwe. And this could affect the prosperity of our people.
Iche, Batu, you are still on the Iroko tree. I want you to come down and speak to me in a plain language.
Igwe, there is problem in our land. Right now, the SAG is doing Omenenu instead of Omenana. That is why I have run down quickly to let you know so that you will come into the matter before things get out of hand.
You are right. I am the Igwe. There's no doubt about that. But I want you to know that Igwe cannot do everything. If there is a problem within Emumeji, Iche Uchendo would have informed me of that, and not you. Moreover, Ozu Kampu has the final say on that, not even me, the Igwe. Anyway, as a member of the Emumeji, my advice to you people is that you should go home and settle amicably. The head of the ram is in the bag of the ram. Isimpi, Nana Akpampi. As you can see, I'm on my way to Oka. I have a meeting to attend with His Royal Highness, the Igwe Lazekwempe, the Ezendeze, and I can't keep him waiting. Good day.
Hey! Hey! Afụwa m anya. Igwe ahụhụ m n'ala. Hey! Hey! Igwe ahụhụ m n'ala. Hey! Yeah.
Ọ̀túnba fúnrẹ̀ ọkọ tèmi nìkan ṣoṣo Ọ̀túnba bàbá àsàlẹ̀kó fúnrẹ̀ bàbá European. You see my dear husband,
Yeah.
I have a favor to ask from you.
When I hear all those praises, I believe there is something behind it. What is the favor?
You see my dear husband, there's this meeting coming up in Ijuland, and you know that as the Relu of Ijuland, I can't afford to be absent from that meeting.
All right. When is the meeting?
It's the day after tomorrow.
So, well, you can go tomorrow then.
Yes, thank you, my dear husband. That's why I love you. Thank you for understanding the fact that, you know, the work of an Relu is very demanding and task.
That's why I'm in support of you becoming the Relu. That is why we are dressed as Otumba, Badmus, Fashola, and Erelu, Ronke, Sikira, Fashola. Is that not a good combination? I will take my leave now. All right.
Take care of yourself.
I will see you when I come back.
Have a lovely day.
All right. Thank you. Yeah.
Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji okadiru. Obidolu na bobo, jikweze dubinani, emumeji emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji okadiru. Obidolu na bobo, jikweze
Nay before the yam. Obinna, when magic I name me. Gage about an age, Nagimel of Fuma. Come a Galegi. Come a Galegi. Fama Fini, Fama Fonazo. Ajamana Jamama Fogi. Yemen come a Canalisime. Rise.
Ichuchendu.
That was when tradition was tradition.
Oh, I see. That's the reason I was given 2 tubers of yam at my traditional marriage?
Yes. And that is why you must hold Ogechi to your heart and ensure that no woman comes between you and her.
No, just prepared it now.
Oh yeah, go.
Now. This is for you. Hey, SH. This is for you.
Oh yeah, good.
You like it?
Hey, well. Hey, wait. Hey.
Oh. Hey! Ekutos one name, wonders they say shall never end. Have you seen how this world is? Have you seen how this world is, my sister? Oh.
All that glitters is not good.
My sister, all that glitters is not good. All that glitters is not good, my sister. If they had told me that SAG would be like this, if they had told me that SAG will do this, I wouldn't have believed it. Mango kwano my sister, mango kwano mwane mwanyi, onobi abawago kwano mo. SAG abawago kwano mobi, abawago kwano mobi, amazi kwano mkende chesi, amazi mkende chesi, amazi mkende mesi. Oh, but one, I warned you. I warned you not to give your daughter's hand in marriage to him. Listen, Bani, you were carried away with the fact that SAG of Omunike will soon be your son-in-law. If Oganiano, you have gotten the Okogo. Put us together. No. Put us. What did you just say now? Hey! Ana kon kemeleme. Ozaneme. Are you adding more salt to the joke? No. Did you come here to mock me? No, I'm actually. Did you come here to mock me? I'm asking you. Yes, did you come here to mock me? God forbid. The truth they say is bitter. It's you na fufu, Nancy. Okay, you thought by now your yam bags must have been filled with yams. Mobo na nwa de nwa enoya. If you gani anu, you go no ga abele. What you do is keep the palancho. Ekutos, you are mad. Ekutos, I say you are very, very stupid. So I called you here, so that you will come and share in my grief. If I'm here, Chalo, golf. Get out of my house now! Get out of my house now. See them up. I am going to my house. Again. Hey, the banana. No. Odogunwa. Mamulam. Naya. Egu abungu anwe. Mba chale kwa fodo. Mamu. Hold your mother. Congratulations. Hold me now.
Mama Cherry go the first, Let the news be broken before you start congratulating me.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Very soon, within 24 hours, the news will be broken. And everybody will hear. Hey. Stop it. You did well.
What is good for the goose is good for the gander.
Don't worry. I prepared a nice chicken for you.
Hey.
Not goose. Come, I will feed you with my hands.
Hey.
Hey. Oh.
Hello. Hey, thank God. I've been looking for how to see you all this while. Oh, thank God I saw you here today.
Yeah, my name is Chioma. My name is Buki, Jude's wife from Ezinike, the Ezinke of this land.
She said Ezinke. Please, if it's Jude, the one I know that is from this village, his title is SAG,
not Ezinke. Thank you, Sioma. Thank you for this correction. You see, You know me, I'm not from this place. My tongue is not the same thing as your tongue. I'm not from this Ogboke. If you are Ajokutama Mumi in our village.
You just called me Chioma, which is good shit. I'm not good shit now. And that thing is not Ogbunike. It is Ogbunike. Stop spoiling our names now.
Ogbunike. Hey! See, you're my friend. You're my only friend in this village. I'm happy. Nobody will be talking to me. At least I have you now as my friend. Your tongue is thick, but I will be learning. Already, you know your tongue is different from our tongue. You people, you eat apu, jokutama mumini.
Understand? You want to sell me too? No, now.
Where I come from, Oremi means my friend, and you are a sweet one at that. You are beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I learned Ogechi is giving you trouble.
Oremi.
See, the only solution to her, if she gives you trouble, give her back. That's the only way she will respect you. Don't allow her to intimidate you. Lie. Do you hear me?
Chioma, you don't know me. See, I'm just pretending, I'm just pretending in this your village. If you know where I come from, they call me Omo Eko, Omo Isaleko, Ito bad gun, Ito Rayoshi. If I have time, I'm just slowing down. Mama Pada Nuni Leseko, Oremi, I will destroy her. Please, you don't know me.
I did not say you should go and kill somebody. Yeah?
No, I'm not going to kill her. But I will deal with her on your behalf. You will see. I will make you proud.
Bye-bye. My friend. Ore. Hey.
You like this?
Like it very well. When you finish this one, you just say amazing.
Go, you too.
Who doesn't like good things? Because hey.
But that will be in the night too. In the night that we do that.
God, I'm ready for you. I did catch up.
What is happening here? You disgrace me. For what now? Must you rub it on my face? Do me, stop well.
You don't tell me it's a mad woman you brought into this house. See, if Lagos, you brought her all the way from Lagos to come and disturb our peace here. Can't me and my husband have a moment of peace in this house?
Don't sorrow. You have 1 month. Lagos where I come from. If you like, they give you 15 now. If you want to collect it many times. You will remain in the village to make money there. Idiots.
If you
I will show you this village. The 2 days that I've stayed here, I will show you that I've learned. Now, Jude, over to you. If you know that we've gone through a lot together, if you know that we know how we started together, before you came to marry this 1 month wife, Jude won't suffer. I'm telling you now. Oh yeah, Shekia, if you remember the dates, everything we've gone through together in Lagos, today, oh yeah, follow me. And if you know that you're the father of this baby, Jude, Dideo, stand up and follow me. Tell me, oh Jude. Tell me.
If you know you calendared me, I went to my father's house, brought me out, paid the bride price, did everything and a medicine wine to marry me. Get up, let me see you. Let her say it, let it work, let me see. In this compound. Nobody guys.
If you calendar me, if you monthly me, village wife, 1 month, all day. I will show you in this village. I have time for you. Animal fun. That was 1 month to the wife. 15 now they marry you. You go the dog. After them oh, baje! Unfair.
Did he get up? It's a bully walk. Is it you are mad? We are going nowhere. I didn't catch that. I'm the wife to the king of Yam. No shaking, I don't cut the rats. Where be nature? Jack with the camp. No film on the potato, I will take a na sagalionuka or unya for nasa. Hey, you didn't walk up like yourself. I'm going to walk out of this.
Excuse me, gentlemen. Excuse me.
Yes, please. Come. You call me? Yes. I mean, you call.
So, please. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Please, I'm looking for the house of one Mr. Jude Mbamala. Yes, Mbamala. He stays in Lagos, but he has come to his village.
Madam, the Jude wey me myself know. His name na Ubamalu, not Ubamala.
Yes. Please, can you direct me to their house?
But then what you want go find for that war zoom now? Na heavy gbegede that side though. But anyway, based on say me and you they align well with the flow. I don't want to go worry no like this so. But because of you, I feel postpone my journey for just 20 minutes. But you go find me small change, small thing.
It's okay, don't worry. I'll give you something, okay? I'll give you something. Come into the car, just take me there.
You sure?
Why not?
You sure so?
Come in, I'll go give you something.
I know they play with my money, oh.
I'll give you something, good thing.
Okay. So before I go enter, I go put my slippers on. Male, this your motor call well.
Jumbo, how are you?
You sabi catch big thing well. Now wow, bros, you too much, Male, this not the Jude where they look for. Settle me, make I move. Now worry get me so like this. Cha, make it heavy, oh. Make the money pockish. Jude, what we align later now? In the evening, I go come see you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Are you the Jude?
Yes.
You? Where's my daughter? So, where's my daughter? Yes, my daughter. Where's my daughter?
Mommy.
Where have you? Where did you?
You know me too, mommy.
Bukola. Tèmi ti bàjẹ́, ìwọ ọmọ yóò ti bà tèmi jẹ́, ó ti bà ayé mi jẹ́. Bukola! Just look at you. Ìwọ ọmọ tàbí ire tó wá láti ilé ire. Wo nǹkan tó wá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀dá. You, have you forgotten your background? Do you know where you are coming from? Look at yourself. Look at what you have turned yourself into. What are you doing? You don't belong here. And you impregnated my daughter and abducted her. I'm going to wait. What did you say? What kind of useless love are you talking about? Love!
That's my husband.
Bukola. You've disgraced me.
You've disgraced our family. Niwo. Emi Ereluronke Sikiratu Fashola. Emi Sisi Saleko. Emi Mama European. Just imagine. Omote me be a child from a royal home. You, Bukola, finding yourself in this rotten, God-forsaken place. Oh yeah, Afara. Into the car. Oh, yeah, me one more to go. Money, one more. I'm not going anywhere. Bucky, ma. Money, one more to for me. One more to me. What? Oda, I know what to do. This is what you have turned my daughter into, a rebel. Just hold on. Then I will show you. Hey. Commissioner. If you call any police, mommy, what? I will shock you. I will kill myself. I will slice myself. This is my husband. I love him. I'm not calling any police again. I'm not calling anybody. I'm not going anywhere. Give it to me. Don't. Okay. Just look at yourself, Ureno. Look at the way you are looking. I mean, nobody will believe the background you come from. Imagine. Mommy, leave background alone. There is no background in this matter. Background does not give real happiness. Mommy, I love Jude. And let me tell you the truth, Jude loves me too, Mommy. Bukola, let me tell you something. I'm not going to allow you to stay here one more second. Do you hear me? You are going home with me. Mommy, I'm not coming. Mommy, leave me alone. This is my home. You look here. This is not your home. This is okay. Mama Jude. Mama. This is my home. You will go. So you don't know you're a concubine? I am Jude's legal wife. Yes. Munye Zeji. You look here. Go. So, each and all that's your plate that he washes in the midnight and in the morning. You are not staying. You will call and salute your mama. Come, my dear girl. Oh, you can't insult my daughter like that. I sing you Buchiano, yeah. It's not getting them go on now. If you ever not Sulumo Yibo, and that was so get waka come here. No, woman, let me just tell you. You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at your daughter. She waka alone all the way from Lagos. I know my care. I want Lagos. Can you imagine? Well, Danny over there. It was my son. You train her. She's not trained. You did not pay her bride price. No traditional rights. We don't know you people. You should be ashamed of yourself. Oh my goodness, Bukola, for God's sake, look at the insults I'm receiving because of you. Just look at, imagine this one talking to me like that. Oh! Because of you. It's not insult. I will show you insult. If you don't take this child out of this place, I will show you the stuff I'm made of. Olúwa, èmi fúnra mi, èmi lélẹ́yìn bá sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí. Ṣé mi lélẹ́yìn bá sọ̀rọ̀? I am bá sọ̀rọ̀. You see how she's insulting me. This witch. Witch. You are the one that is a witch, and your daughter. I will show you how I fly in the afternoon. Eléyìí lè pààyàn. What is this? Hey, Mama!
inside.
Jude, yes,
Look, I'll break your head. Get inside.
Jude, you must come with me.
I'll break your head.
Jude, yes,
Who get you? Go inside.
Yeah, on your family, man, I'll
break your head. Okay.
Yeah, let's go, mommy. Yeah.
Hey! Obinna, have you seen it? Obinna, have you seen it? I told you. I knew it was going to generate to this. Look at all the insult heaped on me and the cheer like me. Hey! Alam.
Ife me, Onyembuno be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever, oh Lolufe. Ife me, Onyembuno be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever, oh Lolufe.
I did not see it.
Where's my money?
Don't push me again.
I will not repeat myself again. Chile, where's my money?
I did not see any money. You didn't give me any
Only
money.
the two of us stays in this house. Mama cannot touch my money. Even Mama cannot touch it. I left the money on that table. Chile, where's my money?
Mama, I
Where's my
don't
money?
see any money. Leave me alone. Don't
Chile,
touch me that belt.
Chile, where's
I
my
don't see any money. I
Where's
don't
my
see any money.
Chinedu, what is all this? Eh? Chinedu. So, if I did not arrive in time, you could have killed her. Hey. Chinedu, what have you done? I have to appease the gods before something terrible happens in my house. Hey, wait! Why did I procrastinate? I could have done it yesterday. Because there's no smiling face at all. Hey, wait! Hey, wait!
Oh my God!
Hey, wait!
Okay. You don't mean what you're telling me.
Otumba, welcome. I mean every single word I told you. Will I lie to you? Mo sunkún láti abúlé wọn yẹn deko ni. I cried all the way from that their stinking, dirty, horrible looking village until I got to Lagos. If you see your daughter, hey, she's not looking like the daughter of the great Otumba Badmus Fasholarara. Ojú tì mí.
I know what I'm going to do. I know what my own daughter looking like a housemaid. Not magic. I know what I'm going to do.
You have not seen anything or heard anything. See, if you get to that their village, you will see different kinds of people. Horrible, fierce, fearful looking people, looking at like hungry people that want to devour someone. Like
Okobi.
Yawo.
My love.
Gedo.
I went to look for you inside. You are not there.
I'm here, dear.
My love, see, I want to beg you for a favor.
What is it?
My waist, Undo me.
It's penny.
Really penny me. What about me massage job? It's a little. What carry the bead upstairs?
Be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together
Àwọn kí ló dé kò dé.
Kí ló dé? Kí ni kí bọ́ yọnu, kí bọ́ yanya. Must you snore the whole building down?
I was not snoring. I was sleeping.
No, kí ni kí neme? It's too much pepper and oil that you eat. That is why you snore every day. Oh, kí ni do?
I didn't know it's pepper. Mama, just your ugly every time. Mama, what is this now?
Every time you find us your shrink, it's pepper. And oil, too much of it.
In this house, you don't let me rest. You don't let me be myself. Every time you be telling me, what is it, when? I'm trying to learn your language to satisfy you. You will not answer me. You hate me so much in this house.
I don't hate you.
You hate me.
I just want you to go. Go. You're not the wife. You need only one wife. The one that he has paid dowry for. Naba Nanyan Royal.
Where am I going to, Mama? Where?
To your father's house
I'm
now.
I'm pregnant for your son, Mama. I'm carrying your born baby. What is it?
Give me Messia.
What is it? Every Every time in this house I try to satisfy you, you'll be telling me Leweluwe, Mama. What are you willing? What are you willing? I will carry something, you tell me I can't carry it in Leweluwe. I will sleep, you can tell me in Leweluwe. I will go away, you tell me Leweluwe. Mama, this house will go way together. We go way together.
Ogechi, I pray you'll be the first person to give birth to a male child, so that you can be relevant and be respected in our community.
Why do you say so?
Because I overheard my father telling Ichepelu that the only way the gods will compensate you is for you to give birth to the next ACG.
May the gods have mercy on me.
They will have mercy on you. He also said the first child of an ACG must be a son. That is how it has been.
Uju, I'm very scared though. Because the way I'm looking at that Ofemanu girl, she might just give birth before me.
Don't say that. You don't have to panic. She will not give birth to a son. Or one she will give birth to one. Don't panic. Or one she will give birth to one.
You just told me what Ichepelu said.
I know I said that. Her traditional rites have not been done. How about Solodiga? Did they pay her rights? Did they do anything on her head? Don't worry. Don't worry, eh? Thank you for seeing me. I'll just go back, eh? Kamlawa. You go. Oh. Don't panic. You go. Okay. I will see you. Don't panic.
Thank you.
Snoring like a big elephant. Jesus! I didn't know it was you. I'm sorry. Yoruba, I thought it was the Yoruba girl, Lord. From there.
Mama, it was too hot inside. I decided to come and sleep outside here to take fresh air.
I went to church on Sunday.
Obidolu na bobo, jikweze n'ubinani, emumeji, emumudo. Obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, obidolu na bobo, emumeji, okaniru. Obidolu na bobo, jikweze n'ubinani, emumeji, emumudo. Obidolu na bobo.
Make sure you give the paracetamol to grandma, eh? Once she's done eating. Okay. Let me go to the roadside and buy card. You know, go. Hello? Don't worry, I'll soon be with you. No, I'll be with you soon.
Don't carry me.
Sorry.
Oh.
My leg.
Sorry.
My leg.
Sorry.
This leg is paining me.
Sorry.
Baby.
Sorry, my wife. Sorry. Sorry.
Please, oh God. My waist.
Ndo.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Mama. Olaro. Yes. Olaro. My leg. Yeah.
Mama, please. Hey, Mama, Biko. Mama, please help us. She's in labor. She wants to deliver. Mama, this baby is also your grandchild now.
Sorry, my tummy. Sorry.
Oh, Chalukwano, you've gone to call the midwife, okay? Why call me now?
Mama, it's not like that. Please, now this is not time for this. Because you know, I can help us.
Too much pepper and oil causes the pain. Okay, look, it's okay. I'll go and get the oil that will relieve the pain and make you deliver fast.
Thank you. Please.
I love you. Yes.
Let's put her. Drop the bag.
Oh, wow. Judo.
Please, I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry.
My leg.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah, wait. I want to poo.
Wait. Hold it.
I want to poo.
Hold it.
Sorry. I want to poo.
Mama, please don't shout on her.
Continue. Abaluba. Has he entered? It will relieve the pain. Okay, relieve the pain. Abalu. Has he entered? Okay, relieve the
What happened now? Mama, oh no, look at me, Jack. Which mouth will I use to talk this thing that I want to talk? Okay, talk to me now. Let me hear now. Talk to your mother now. What happened? What is it? Bukio. Oh, Ogechi, I've told you to leave this orphan man alone. That the house belongs to you now. You are the owner of the house. Leave her alone. Buki has given my husband the first male child. Hi! Ekusina. It's smoking. Please, what did you just say? A male child or a female?
Ndichie. That one I always refused to send away. Has given birth.
Birth to what? Birth to male or female?
To a son.
Hey!
To a son. Hey! So what do we do?
Boba, no. My elders, this situation can only be likened to a situation where a man has a boy on his scrotum. If he tries to puncture it, trouble. And if he says, let me leave it, that's why you see the main trouble.
Wahala.
All the car, to mad in a bed. Nagala. Oh, where she go beginning? Come back here. If you so, I was going to go happy. If I can so good. I wouldn't care. It's your chance. As the head and president of our Emumeji, what is the way forward?
Iche Obiajon, if we have to move forward, we should not leave all the problems for Uche Uchendu alone. Because the cooking pot for the chameleon is also the cooking pot for the lizard. We have to begin to think of the way forward.
Together.
But Ndiche, two agama lizards cannot be in one territory.
That is true.
We cannot have two sons succeeding one AZG. If Obina's real wife gives birth to a son, that is where the main confusion will come.
No, gekwe not. I don't think there will be confusion. Yes. Our gods are not gods of confusion. Yes. I suggest we should see Ozukambu. And then he will in turn consult the gods on this matter.
Very, very
Ichionwodewa, you have spoken well. We will go and consult the gods and know what they have to say. But I know I'm the custodian of Emumeji. But I will not go alone. Because I will phone you for Weke. So in that wise, Ichie Igbelu and Ichie Ndulwa, you will go with me. Yes, so let's go together. Ndemubeji, have I spoken your mind?
Yes. And I will not give in to that. That was the report of trust me. You will surely say something. Gentlemen, I think this is a cause for concern because we were warned before. We were surely warned. Go and please. Take care of her. No. He has a sick wife, so let him go and take care of her. What I'm trying is that there is no way we can do this thing without it. Even considering what happened the other day, we are
See how he's eating. You're very lucky. You know some babies, you have to force them to eat.
This one can finish everything. Pot of soup there.
And it's
one
so
that
cute.
is too young.
Agadi abo. Agadi Ekwenta with Mama Yongi. Father will marry. Nonsense. 30 years in the university, half degree. Won't be get check out. I'll never name one.
Ajonwa show we bayen ne afọ. See, pikin we follow from back enter in mama belle. Na better pikin be that one.
Did she say they brought me through the back? I will show her. She talking to me?
No. Na me she dey abuse, but don't worry, I can handle her.
Thank you.
Yeah.
My friend, this is very good. Let me use this opportunity to tell you something. Haven't you noticed that this girl, they call her Eshu, where I come from? Devil, she's a devil. She and devil, they live in mini flats together.
You're right. Okay, you're right.
Can you imagine? But now that I've given birth, trust me already. I will show her Lagos. I will so deal with her now that I've given birth.
I trust you. Buki, I trust you. Buki, have you called your mom to tell her you've given birth?
Oh, already. Well, I called her. As I said hello, she just said hello. I said, Mommy, I'm sorry. Hey, talk. I said, Mommy, please, I've given birth. I just want to tell you. Look, I don't like where you are. I don't like where you are. Leave there and come back home. If not. That dating place.
Are you serious?
She was angry. She didn't answer me. Well, I just cut the phone.
Even when you're giving birth to our own grandchild.
I don't know my mommy.
That's so sad.
We'll leave that aside, Ojari already. I have gist for you. Before you came back home, I followed some people to this Igbo people's church.
Are you serious?
Already! I like the way Igbo people do praise and worship. It's different.
What did you learn?
Igbo people. That is this pot thing with foam. Let me sing of it. Nagini le na si. Hey boom be shake big big bum bum. Abuni nasi. Hey boom be pa hey boom be Jehovah. Imo marama iri marama. Na uli nasi. Hey boom be keke toko good women. Hey boom be Jehovah marama na buli leo.
Sit down, you will not kill me.
You will not die.
Teach you. Listen.
Oh yeah. Oh, my friend, you're using auto. Let me sing it in bars. Na bruli nasi ebube.
Ebube Jehovah maramba.
Oh,
Ebube Jehovah maramba. Oh maramba.
Hey, you put us extra.
Nema muamu guamu ta malive. Nna muamu bakagu amu ta malive o. Na nwagu to hunsa semisha gbodogo ni Igbo. Nwagu to hunse bia semisha gbodogo ni Igbo. Na nne m kuwe moto ma mgbe mmalụ na me. Na nna m kuwe moto ma mgbe mmalụ na mụ. Ịma na okolo nke mụ nọgị n'egwu echi ofologbo. Ịmakwa na mgbogo nke mụ nọkwa n'egwu echi ofologbo. Mbogo bụrụ isi Emeka nkedo ụbọchị ụbọlọ ọkụkọ isi olotirio.
The eye of the gods. Ozukampu. What did the gods say?
Keep quiet! I am still communing with the gods. Mbogo bụrụ isi Emeka nkedo ụbọchị ụbọlọ ọkụkọ isi olotirio. The gods are quiet. They have not spoken. You have to go. Iche Uchendo. Go. I will send words across to you. When the gods speak, go. Nanema muamugu amuamuda malive. Namu muamu magagu amuamuda malive. Nawaguda wunza semisha gbodogo ni Igbo. Nwaguda wunze baka semisha gbodogo ni Igbo. Na nemu gube moto ma mgbe mmalụ na me. Na nemu gube moto ma mgbe mmalụ na me.
Tell him no. Who are you? Omo You say you're not Igbo. Who are you?
Omo Igbo.
Good afternoon, sir.
Keep your greetings to yourself. So, Bobby, keep your greetings to yourself. Oh, this is where hopeless jagbajantis, no identity like you is keeping my daughter on stage. Have you met her?
Daddy B. Welcome. See your grandson, no fine boy.
Timbako batifo, Timba for leti. Where grandson call? Oh, Buki, you have disgraced me. So this is where you are living. My daughter, the daughter of Otuma, Fashola Badmus. Baba is Aleko, Baba is Robia. And by the special grace of God, one day governor of Lagos State. This is where you are living. You are a disgrace to my family. Yes, and you are, and my father will not forgive you.
She's a disgrace. From your father's mouth to you, you're a disgrace to the family. You're an embarrassment. Now, if you fail in the family.
What is it that my son is giving you that no other man outside would not give you?
Let me tell you what it is that my husband does. It is called plate washing. That my husband, my legally married husband, illegally washes for her.
Hey, Otio, Uki, did you hear that? Did you hear that? Which place is Omoyibo washing for you? Tell me, which place is Omoyibo washing for you that you want to die in this God-forsaken, poverty-ridden environment? Show me the place and let me break it. Show me, I want to break it.
That plate is unbreakable. Let me talk what is in my mouth. That plate, it is unbreakable. You know that plate, it is in between the inner cackles. Yes. I never illegally married husband. No matter your illegally married daughter.
Hey, Buki. So it's because of this thing between this Tonetity boys like that is why you come back your load all the way from Lagos to come and live here and live the mansion in Lagos. Buki.
But now I understand. So it is my son's python that he uses on your daughter. Python without eyes. So he moves to any direction. That is why your daughter has refused to go.
It is better you follow your father now since you did not follow your mother. Because of Flaka, I can't just suji. I will pound you like pounded yam. I will pound you like pounded yam in this house.
Go. Tobacco bati for.
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry.
You are stupid. Look, it will not better for you. You are telling me you are stupid. After you enter my house and embarrass my house and disgrace my family, you are telling me you are sorry. All right, I will deal with you. I will come back for you. And as for you, what?
If me, Onyembu be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever.
He was the one that's actually.
Bayo, give me that knife, make cut her breast. Bring her sharp because get as this place look like now. And don't throw this area now. Arrange them sharp, time no day.
Boss, I suggest say as this girl find like this, we for just like tidy her, you know, for tidy her.
Are you mad? We don't talk of money here, we are talking nonsense. Give me the knife.
Yes, boss. But boss, this.
Shut up. One shot. God.
Wait. God. Who were they even shooting at? Where were they, sir? We don't even know where they were. And now, how do we get out of this place?
I'm robbers now.
I know. Wait. Did you hear that? Are they going inside the bush? Go where now? Let's know. But you know it's you that caused this thing. You need to understand the person you are living with. Me, as this my SAG title, it gives me insight to know when there is danger. If you had listened to me, we wouldn't have gotten involved in this. We would have stayed at home today, but you insisted we should go. Now, see where are we now?
Guy, understand now. We are still hustlers now. Okay, I do anything bad when I say make we go hustle. Now hustling would they go now?
What if Bullet had met me today? What will happen to my traditional constituency?
Please, let's go.
Huh? Let's go. Go where, brother?
Let's go this way now.
Wait, come. See over there. Can you see? Wait. See, now it's a girl.
Let's go this way now. You want to go there?
Are we going to leave her to die there? Try and understand my...
Leave me.
Try and understand my position As the SAG, I'm supposed to protect my subjects. Eh? I can't leave her to die like that. My conscience will not allow me go. Please, let's go.
But you just said that the SAG does not make you a Superman. Eh? Why do you want to go and risk your life?
Even if I die saving this girl, I don't mind.
Okay,
Just let me save her. Let's save her. Just go. I'll watch your back. Yes, I'll watch your back for you. You sure? Go. I'll watch your back. Oh yeah.
So, Daddy, that is what he has done for me. This man saved my life. If not for him, with all the bad situations around, he came to save me. That place was very dangerous.
And so what? And so what? People render help to people, okay? Even myself, I can do it. It's nothing.
If me, be my darling, my honey. I will never leave you. We're together forever.
That must be the solution. And no more.
Why are the gods silent? If not that Obina's doom is here.
It's you, Chendu. I greet you. My fellow Ndememeji. I salute you.
Obina, you don't actually behave like the SAG of this community at all. At all. Your father, Okadibo, did not behave this way. Why?
Also, all the former SAGs before your father. Exactly. None of them behaved like this.
Why?
But come, SAG, what is wrong?
The gods have been silent concerning the next SAG. Because your true wife is pregnant and is yet to give birth.
It's you, Chendu. My fellow Ndememeji. I am surprised to say the least. Why must we deliberate over something that is clear? I have a son, you all know it. The one that was given birth to by Buki. The next SAG in line as the tradition entails.
Through who? The same woman you refuse to send away. Consequently, the silence of the gods means you must die. Exactly. For defiling our tradition and to pay for the straighten our ordinance, or she shall die.
Then I'm ready to die. Yes, I will die for my love.
Does love and tradition.
Why would someone die for the crime that she did not commit or know anything about?
This is the height of it.
Yes.
Something is wrong.
SAG of Ogbunike. So you want to throw away your position because of a woman? You want to sacrifice our tradition and custom on the altar of love?
Yes. Yes, if our God has decided to be inhuman and unjust to a woman who does not even know the crime that you people are putting on her, then I'm ready to die for her. At least so that she will be alive to take care of my son, the next SAG in line, as the tradition entails.
Hey! SAG?
Yes, sir.
Anya for Anya! SAG, what has that woman given to you?
True and undiluted love. That's what she gave to me.
Love. What business does love have with tradition?
We must play with the gods to spare your life and tell us who is the next SH.
I'm really, this whole drama is really surprising me. As long as we talk about it, it's making me sick. That we're still pleading to our God to unravel who the next SAG is, when I already have a son through Buki, and I also have another wife who is pregnant too.
What applied during the time of your father has been changed by you. When a farmer sets fire on the bush, he forgets that the fire affects the fertility of the soil. Obina, a word is enough for the wise.
Ichuchen, I have lived all my life to respect you, and that will not change. But one thing I want us to know today, circumstances had made me a husband to 2 women, and I love them. And it's my home, the SAG's home, not anybody's home here. I will manage it. Have a nice day.
Obinna. This word he is dancing Surugede is enough for the wife.
Did he realize?
Surugede is the dance of the spirit.
He was with the elder.
The word is enough for the wife.
Hey,
dancing the dance of the spirit.
Ejom, Majuanya. If you ask me, who will I ask? This is too much for me. But if the gods remain silent, I will still perform my sacred function, because it is my right to perform such.
Papa, let's pray the gods will speak within the next 4 days.
Oh. Bring forth the child. Chibuo, the son of SAG Obinna Okadibo, on this day, which is the new moon preceding the Care Market Day, I pronounce you the Why all these transgressions and rebellions
against the gods. Why? Couldn't you have waited for ages for the gods to speak? This child is not Ezeji's successor. Yes! Give this child back to his father. The ways of the gods are different from the ways of men. The gods have spoken.
Where is this girl?
Ogechi! Please come out. The elders are waiting outside now. What is wrong with you? Please come out.
Wazico, the women will soon be out with the babies.
That is the will of the gods. No one questions the gods. Yes, no one must question the gods. Yes. Yes. Who is this butterfly that takes itself for a bed? Don't you have tradition where you come from? Don't you? Will you get out of this place now before I consume you?
You are talking trash. If you think you have juju, I have the highest juju here. That is bigger than any juju for any universe. And I will use it to deal with you. I will tell you that I am a descendant of Ereko from Ijebu-Ode. There is nothing you can do.
I will show you the powers of the gods. Now, Uchendo, lebe when no adaka. Lebe kuonyewa. Iwa. Ole lungi tagore when you went to
How long have you been in this job?
Ole lungi tagore.
I am on this. Yes, I'm on this. I will sack you. I will sack you.
Ole lungi tagore. Ole no mume. Ole lungi tagore. Ole no. Ibrugudu. Ibrugudu. Melode nyiridike. Imana melode nyiridike. Imana melode ke jamadike. Melode nyiridike. Otumbi imana melode nyiridike. Imana melode ke jamadike. Onye gbara mmanwụ egwu ogworo isi eburu. Ụgbọ na nwata ezuwezu ọgbanye ọkụ. Agụba ji mara onye agbụrụ isi. Iya. Melode nyiridike. Imana melode ke jamadike nu. Olue na omume. Omuri agbara diwa. Hey!
Ogechi, bring forth your son, Obidike. You are welcome, Obidike, the next Ezeji. When you grow of age, you will be initiated into Emumeji proper. Obinna, come and have your son.
Hey!
Otumba Badmus Ayodele Fashola, the son of Aderepo, the grandson of Abiodun, and you are the Onakakampo of Egba land.
What is happening? Baba, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. So you know me too well like this?
In the universe, we are all one. Our gods do their things in mysterious ways. This particular Ezeji has been destined to marry 2 wives. He is the first to marry 2 wives in many years. Yes, the gods chose Ogechi's son because she's in marriage. The same gods also said that Obina's son with your daughter will not live outside. And that is why you must allow the father of your grandson to come and perform Bukola's marriage rites. Their union will bring peace and love between your people and my people. Their love is love of destiny. Ogechi, you must make peace with Bukola. And as for you, Obinna, your blessings are on the way.
Abianubi Jibweze Abianani Jibweze Jine puta for juju puto biangoli obode bili nudo Jine puta for juju puto biangoli obode bili nudo Obidolu na bobo emumeji oganiru Obidolu na bobo Jibweze nubi nani emumeji emumudo Obidolu na bobo Obidolu na bobo emumeji oganiru Obidolu na bobo Jibweze nubi nani emumeji emumudo Obidolu na bobo emumeji oganiru Obidolu na bobo Jibweze nubi nani emumeji emumudo Obidolu na bobo emumeji oganiru Obidolu na bobo Jibweze nubi nani emumeji emumudo